You Cook is all about sharing food with friends and family around the table. That's what I really hope you guys do when you get these recipes. Man, I'm so excited. We're making spaghetti bolognese. This is the first recipe that I ever learned how to make that my mom taught me, and it's something that's very close to my heart, and it's just full of flavor, man. First things, on with the pan and a little bit of olive oil. Use some bacon, and this is really just gonna set off that flavor from the get-go. Next, we're going in with some onions. One of my favorite things in the whole wide world, garlic. All right, now we're gonna go in with some celery and the carrots. And at this stage is where you wanna add a little bit of seasoning. In with the bay leaf, nutmeg, and now in with the mince. And now we're gonna go in with some red wine. We've got some tomato sauce and beef stock, which is gonna go in. Fun food, man. Fun food. All right, let's make some pasta. The last thing to do, we've got our boiling pot of water here, and in we go with the pasta. Pasta needs to be al dente, which essentially just means that it's got a lovely little bite to it. Not too soft, not too hard. And we're done. It's time to eat. Wow, this all looks amazing. This could be us. So head on over to youcook.co.za and get your order on.